guys, so in today's lesson we're going to be learning Dance the Night Away, absolute classic. Just 2 chords, super easy, great for beginners. Let's get stuck into them chords. Okay guys, so we're going to move on to the chords now. Chord number 1 is an E, that's third one up from the bottom, number 1. String above 2, string above 2, and we strum all the strings. Chord number 2 is a B7, that's third one down from the top, fret 1. String above 2, G string, fret 2, and we strum from the A string down to the B. If you can pop binky on the bottom string, fret number 2, that bottom note's an F sharp. If we can add that one as well, that's a full version of a B7. But if you're an absolute beginner, you may struggle to get that pinky on there, so just leave that one off and just aim to get these 3 strings and strum from the A string down to the B. Okay, so our 2 chords in this song are E and a B7. So it's worth practicing them first, just making sure you can change between both. If you've got that down, let's move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Okay guys, so now we've got the chords, we're going to move on to the order and the strumming pattern. Good thing with this one, it's literally just the 2 chords that repeat the whole way through. So again, first chord was that E chord, and next up was the B7. And an absolute beginning way would just be strumming the E and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, then B7 for 4. 2, 3, 4, easy. 2, 3, 4, B7, 2. And you could get away with that with the entire song. If you're an absolute beginner, sound absolutely fine. If you're a little bit more advanced, I'm going to show you the strumming pattern now. Let's grab that E chord, and the pattern we want is down, down, up, up, down. Same with the B7, down, down, up, up, down. You might notice that I popped the thumb over the top here to mute this low E string, and I'm using the easy version of the B7. I just like to use that for this particular version. It just means we can be a little bit more lax on hitting that low E string without it sounding out when we play the B7 chord. So I just leave it on for both chords so I can hit all the bottom 5 strings. So again, let's do that again. So we've got down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So I'll try to do a quick playthrough. Here comes my happiness again, right back to where it should have been, 'cause now she's gone and I am free. She can do a thing to me. Yeah, and it just repeats that throughout the entire song, just that E to the B7. Cool, hope that's helped. Okay guys, so that concludes today's lesson. Hope you've enjoyed. Again, any suggestions, please do pop them down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to take a look at any suggestions. Again, if you found value in this, please do smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.